Alright, so here we are mixing up the Bondi Beach. The pearl is here, and we've got the base coat that comes with it. This is a kit. Gallon kit is $299.98 plus the shipping. You get a gallon of pearl, a gallon of base. They both produce down at 1:1. So if you're looking at that Bondi Beach, there's your color. That's the color of the pearl alone. 2 to 3 coats of this pearl, and you've got a full set ready to go over top of any base. The base coat that we provide is a nice Carolina blue. But as I said, you can put this over any base and it's going to give you that same rich color. Got that nice ice blue. It's a gold flop. Different from the Key West because this is actually like a more bluish tint and it's got a gold flop, whereas the Key West is more of like a teal to green. That's it. Sun goes off, you got that blue, that sun hits it. There you go.